Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to create this colorful makeup tutorial. Stay tuned.
I'm gonna begin by applying some of this setting spray and then I will prep my skin with some oil. Now my skin is on the dry side, so oil works perfect for me. Today I will be using this Pac-Man palette and I will start with this transitional shade. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it in tapping motion. You wanna make sure that you get the intensity that you want, and I will be blending it out in circular motions. Here I decided to show you how it's going to look. So once again, you want to make sure that you have the color that you want. Then you can move on to kind of pull it up in circular motions. And I find that to be the fastest way to blend out an eyeshadow. I will be using this brush for the pink shadow. If you notice here, this brush is a little bit stiffer and longer, and that's going to give me more control when it comes to this shade. Again, I am emphasizing the eyeshadow on the outer edge of the eye, and then I will blend it out later. To blend it out, I will be using the same technique as before. I will be applying color as needed, and I will be blending out the edges in circular motion, and then I will go back to that transitional color and blend it even more. Today I will be doing a cut crease, and I decided to use this primer from NYX. It is in the color white, and I do have to tell you that it wasn't the best choice because I feel it was a little bit tacky, but I made it work anyway. So what I'm gonna do is to emphasize on half of the eye, and then I will be applying this white eyeshadow. It does have some glitter to it, so I will be applying it in tapping motions. And then I decided to use this orange color right in the middle of the eye, and that's just so I would have a nice contrast to the eye look. You want to use tapping motions to apply the color in the middle of the lid, and I'm gonna go back to that pink, and again just just try to blend it out as much as you can. So you might have to go back and forth to make sure that everything works just like you want it to. I will be using this primer from e.l.f. and to color correct my skin, I will be using this concealer in the color orange. I do want to apply this concealer on those areas that are either too dark or I have pigmentation. And then right after that, I am going to blend it out, and I will start applying the foundation using a brush just to buff it out. And then I will move on with my concealer. If you have to go back to reapply some foundation, I would do it with a sponge, just because a sponge will give you that airbrush look or whatnot. So here I'm blending out that concealer, and then I will be sealing everything in with a translucent powder. To bronze and contour, I will be using this trio from Too Faced. It is my favorite. I think it is very subtle and it gives me exactly what I need for these looks. So what I'm going to do is to apply the bronzer on my cheeks like so, forehead, jawline, and then I will be using the same blush that comes in the trio, and I will top it off with the highlight. I will be also doing a cat eyeliner. It is going to be on the discreet side. I do want, kind of a subtle type of eyeliner. I do want my eyeshadows to be, popping. Now for the waterline, I will be using this gel pencil liner from Ulta, and I have to tell you that I was actually impressed. It does work pretty well. And then I will pick up the same pink shadow that I used on my eyelid, and I will smoke it out with the same pink shadow, and I will also include that transitional shadow right underneath the pink one. And I will prep my lashes for falsies. I will be using these ones today. For my lips, I will be using the KYLIE Cosmetics lip set. And once again, I will spray myself with some of that setting spray. And yeah, this is the final look. Now, once I put on my wig, yeah, this is what it looks in pictures.
If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hasta la vista. Adiós.